Srizfly Basic Flight Training Module. Train smarter, fly better. Part 1 Basic Training. Recreating every detail of real drone flight in a fully simulated environment. The Basic Training Module delivers structured, data-driven, and visualized flight training for drone schools and learners. The Basic Training Module is fully aligned with CAAC standards, covering all 3 levels of the certification system. Hover training supports multiple control channels for precise attitude control. Flight speed and error data are recorded in real time to generate detailed evaluation reports. Every flight becomes measurable and meaningful. Part 2 Advanced Training. After mastering the basics, trainees move on to advanced flight paths and attitude control. The system monitors angle deviation in real time and provides corrective feedback, helping trainees build precision through data-driven learning. Part 3 Certification Training. Certification training provides standard flight procedures for official qualification from lateral and triangular flight to emergency landing. Each mission comes with precise trajectory guidance and scoring feedback. Part 4 Racing Mode. Racing mode challenges both reflex and accuracy, making every session engaging and rewarding. Part 5 Custom Scene. It supports diverse environments and obstacle elements to meet various training and assessment needs. Compatible with major 3D modeling formats for fast, seamless integration of real-world environments. Part 6 UAV Assembly Disassembly. To complement flight training, Srizfly integrates assembly and maintenance simulation, letting learners understand drone mechanics before real-world practice. Part 7 Global Applications. The simulator has been adopted by drone schools, universities, and emergency response teams worldwide. It makes drone training more scientific, efficient, and realistic.